My name is Mark Poole, I'm the Operations Manager here at ATEC Solutions, and we are a company that specialises in providing engineering solutions for safety critical environments. This is a PCB out of an engine control unit from a Chinook helicopter, and Tony's just replacing some components that, when we've done the initial inspection on it and the initial test on it, have been identified as faulty. It's critical that we document everything that we do, and historically would have all been done on paper. When it came to wanting to go down the route of making a smarter factory, then Web Control was the company of choice for us.
Initially, we worked closely with ATEC Solutions to kind of fully understand all the needs and requirements of the project. Firstly, it will do some very clever scheduling in the background. It will automatically prioritise when those works orders need to be and schedule them on the work centres as per the operational routings of that job.
This is the main screen, several options for the operators to choose from, the main one being the works orders. The operator then comes along and picks the job that he's got to work on. That opens up the actual job with the routines and all of the processes that the operation, the steps that they've got to follow. It gives them the ability to look at the engineering documentation, the support documentation that they need within the app. Literally, when they log into the tablet to work on that job, it starts the clock ticking, and when they finish the job and they log out, it stops, and all of that data is recorded. We've never been in a position before where we've had the data to actually analyse whether it is or isn't correct. So now we will have the data to look at the manufacturing times that we've got within the system and adjust those manufacturing times in line with actual times being given on the job. They've been a supportive partner. I would probably go so far as to say, not just a supplier to us, but we see them as a partner, working to make sure that we make the most of the ERP system that we've got. I could stand here and talk all day of the benefits, and if I'm being honest, I don't think we've even realised all the benefits yet. It's a new thing for us. I think once we've built up that data behind us again, it will give us even more things to focus on for the future and help develop the business.